Up next, we're going to hear from NanoGuard Technologies.
1.3 billion tons of food wasted, 600 million people made ill, over 400,000 deaths. These all occur each and every year. Hi, my name is Larry Clarke. I'm the CEO of NanoGuard Technologies. I'd like to walk you through how NanoGuard Technologies can solve these major industrial and global challenges to create a more healthy and sustainable food and ag supply chain. Our focus is on innovation that reduces food waste and improves food safety. We do this by eradicating harmful microbes and pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, including E. coli, salmonella, listeria, funguses, and mycotoxins on large row crops such as corn and wheat. Our innovative technology we call aerolization. It utilizes high voltage cold plasma to produce reactive gases that are blown down a pipe upwards of 150 feet away to pasteurize food and feed without heat and leaving no chemical residues. It occurs in a short period of time and can be as effective as 99.99% reductions. We've completed a Series A funding round of about $6 million. We've hit FDA approval designating NanoGuard Technologies as safe and effective. We have global patents on 4 continents. We have a pilot completed and installed at a Fortune 500 customer. We're working with 3 Fortune 500 strategic partners on research agreements, and we have a USDA NIFA Phase 2 grant. Currently, our investors include 3 major food and ag companies. We've hit the strategic sweet spot. The boards we've talked to see us as a sustainability play because of the reduction in food waste. Management sees us as pure profitability improvement, and operations managers see us as the ability to hit key metrics such as improve food safety and reduce food waste. We had one of our strategic partners state that they see NanoGuard's technology as important as refrigeration. The revenue model is straightforward. Percentage of equipment sales and annual reoccurring revenue, royalty, every time the device is turned on. Our team of problem solvers and innovators. The board is a great balance of strategic thinkers as well as financial experts. The team itself is focused on one goal: solving food waste and improving food safety to feed the world more sustainably. We do this with a multidisciplinary approach. Looking into the future, we're always looking for additional strategic partners. We're heavily focused on manufacturing partners that will allow us to move to a commercial volume as well as improving our efficiencies. And lastly, beginning 2021, we will start seeking our Series B investment round. These are all done in an effort to create a more healthy and sustainable food and ag supply chain. We are NanoGuard Technologies. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, NanoGuard. Darren, what questions do you have for Larry?
My first question is really kind of where in the supply chain will this fit? Who's going to be paying for this technology?
Hi, Darren. Thanks. A good question. So the technology, it really, as in a lot of things, depends on the process in which you're going to focus on. For fresh fruits, vegetables, and such, earlier in the process, we can get to the meat and vegetables and fruits, the better off we are. When we're looking at food safety, such as the E. colis and salmonellas, as late in the process prior to the consumer using the food, the better off we are.
Wonderful. And I think, what specific food products, you mentioned a few there, but what are going to be your kind of initial targets?
Yeah, that's the best thing about this technology. It is agnostic. It really doesn't care what type of surface we focus on, but we've done testing on tomatoes, blueberries, meats, large row crops such as corn and wheat, tree nuts, ground nuts. So we've cast a very broad net and seeing extremely good results across the board.
Wonderful. Thank you for that. And I guess my last question is, what type of model are you looking to use? Is it strictly B2B, or is it B2B and B2C? And if you intend to partner, what type of strategic partner are you specifically looking for?
Well, for us, it's B2B. We want to move. We feel like we have to go directly to a customer for the first one or two devices to prove this works out. But ultimately, we'd like to license the technology out to a global company that has experience in the food and or ag chain. We talk global because this is a global issue that has many countries needing our technology.
Wonderful. And I think that's all the questions I have for now. Thank you again, and congratulations.